Hi, this is Recontact. We make your loan recovery process faster and cheaper using AI models. Currently, we integrate with all of the popular loan recovery management software, and what we particularly specialize on is providing our own digital agents who will call your borrowers and ask them that have you paid the loan, when will you pay it, and depending on different types of people you're calling, especially in India because there are so many languages and accents, we have different types of voices and people. So we have Maya, who's ideal for low ticket size and simple customer, speaks Hindi English mix. This person is good for low ticket size and thick Punjabi accent. If a person is a high ticket size and very risky but is speaking this accent, then we have our own model. And you can also edit this model as per your own prompt, where you can say that, okay, this is what I want you to do. You can give it an example. There are even sample recordings on which you can actually train it. So these are different recordings in different languages, and you can just press retrain, and then it will just start retraining the entire model. So this gives us some context about what is functioning inside of Recontact. Here's how the functioning actually works. So say for example, I have all of these people, there are their numbers, there is the loan amount they took, there is the risk percent based on their previous profiling that, okay, this person is at this much percent risk of not paying the loan. So I can just call this person very easily. I can again select the language to be Hindi or English, and I'll just place the call. So I picked Hindi, and any moment now I should be getting a call. Got my call. Hello?
आईसीआईसीआई बैंक से क्या मैं अंकित संघवी से बात कर रही हूँ?
हाँ जी, आप अंकित सांघवी से बात कर रहे हो. आपने कैसे फ़ोन किया?
जी हाँ, मैं आईसीआईसीआई बैंक से माया बोल रही हूँ. मैं आपके बकाया लोन के बारे में जानकारी लेने के लिए फ़ोन किया हूँ. क्या आप अपने लोन का भुगतान करने में असमर्थ रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, पिछले हफ्ते हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो गया था. इसकी वजह से हम अपना लोन टाइम पे नहीं भर पाए.
हमें आपकी परेशानी का पता चला. मैं समझती हूँ कि आपके लिए इस समय कठिन हो रहा होगा. कृपया मुझे बताएं कि आप अपना लोन कब तक चुका पाएंगे. हम आपकी मदद करने में खुश होंगे.
एक्चुअली हम अपना लोन 3 जुलाई तक चुका पाएंगे.
ठीक है, मैं समझती हूँ. हम आपके लिए 3 जुलाई तक का समय देते हैं.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ गुड डे. बाय बाय.
बहुत धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ हो.
थैंक यू.
अगर कोई और सहायता चाहिए तो
नहीं नहीं,
कृपया
कोई
संपर्क
सहायता
करें.
नहीं. चलो बाय. So as you can see, the call has ended, the status is completed, and now the agent will start working behind the scenes to start processing the data. So usually we take when is the loan going to be paid back, what was the reason for the delay, and is the a borrower unwilling to pay the loan or unable to pay the loan, and this is how we track it. So here are a few test calls that we did internally in the team itself. And we said that, okay, 30% of all of the calls, they were actually unable to pay. So these people you can actually help to pay. And again, to learn more, we have an entire way of going back that, okay, this person was not able to pay because they were going through some severe condition. And if you just want to help them out, then you can just send them a friendly reminder on WhatsApp that, hey, you're not able to do this, we're willing to help you. But in some cases, when they're just unwilling to pay, you can just go ahead and notify the legal department. So, yeah, in a nutshell, Recontact provides the fastest way for loan recovery using AI. Thank you.